Uganda now is 17 times richer.
Uganda kakati egaggawadde emirundi 17 okuva we yali
as a country
ng'eggwanga
from where it was in 1986.
okuva we yali mu 1986.
In 1986, the size of the economy was 3.9 billion.
Okuva mu 1986 ebyenfuna bya Uganda byali obuwumbi 3 n'obutundu 9.
By June this year,
naye mu Juni y'omwaka guno
the economy of Uganda will be $68.4 billion. Now, these are the 4 sectors where wealth and jobs are found, 4 of them.
Era nga buli buna.
And this is what I'm telling you, that the size of all these has grown by 17 times since 1986. Now, because of all this, in spite of some weaknesses here and there, Uganda is the 5th fastest growing country in the whole world. Norwecho bwemulira abetolole ensi yaffe ne bagamba nti NRM tenakyekoze abo balabe ba Uganda.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.